Home decor is one of the most important aspects of our lives. That's why we avoid home decor mistakes. For a happy home, we need to keep the right balance between colors, decorations, and objects. But sometimes, even though we are doing everything right, nothing seems to work out as planned. Number 1. Don't waste time and money. When people are decorating their homes, they are more obsessed with buying the latest items rather than spending time on choosing the right things for their home. There are always some DIY projects that can be done to save some money or time. Try budgeting before you start shopping for those expensive items. Number 2. Don't put too many decorations. Having too many decorations can also make your home look crowded and messy, especially if you have a small space to work with. It is better to keep a balance between decoration and objects in your home by using tricks such as color contrast or black elements. Number 3. Avoid using the wrong types of materials. If you are planning to redecorate your home, then it is best to use the right type of materials, because this will make your project look elegant and also save you from spending more money. Number 4. Visualize your project. It is very important to make sure that you have a clear idea of the results so that you can do everything in the right way. By having a clear idea of what you want, it will help you choose the right items for your home and also prevent wasting time and money. Number 5. Knowing the basic rules of decorating. You should know how much paint or material is needed for each area in your home so that you can use it in the right way. You should also learn how much time and money you need for each project. It would be best to hire a professional home contractor to help you decorate your home. That's all 5 tips for today. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.